Yeah. Okay, so I've just been sent a NUTRIBUDDY complete shake plan. I've not opened the box yet. I thought that'd be a bit of fun to do together. So yeah, I saw NUTRIBUDDY were looking for real people to try the product. It's not just for people who go to the gym every day. This product is for real people, real mums, real dads, people who are really busy and trying to get a balanced diet, trying to fit everything into your hectic lifestyles. As everyone knows, I'm a mum. I'm not very well at the moment. I've got a lot of health problems going on. Physically, I'm drained, I'm knackered, I'm tired. And my appetite is not the greatest. I'm not eating very well, to be honest. And I was thinking that this shake might just get my appetite going again. At least I could just drink it. You know, if I'm not feeling hungry, I can just shake away and drink it and see how I get on. So yeah, anyway, let's open the box. Excuse my knife. So I've been sent a 14-day shake plan. It set you back $19.99, and if you wanted to get the shaker, it's an extra $7.99 on top. I only ordered it online the other day. It's arrived very speedy, within 3 days. So what's inside? This is fun. Should be thick. There's got loads of these in there. Like, no. Right. Product. Ooh. It's quite a big tub, isn't it? Okay. And the shaker as well. I ordered the shaker in black, my favourite colour. Oh. A little thing as well. Right. So. Shaker looks good. It's got like a little ball shaky thing in there. Use that. So I will let you know how I get on. 4 scoops to some milk substitute should do the trick. It's vegan, it's gluten free. Let's see how it goes, yeah?